Introducing the new Dewalt Jobsite table saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous Dewalt table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. Dewalt has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand Dewalt durability. The Dewalt DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
Introducing the 10-inch portable worm drive table saw. It's the only table saw with Skilsaw's legendary worm drive gearing, made by the people who invented worm drive saws. Specifically designed for ripping, it has the power and torque to handle grueling cuts without getting bogged down. With an impressive 3.5-inch depth of cut and a 25-inch rip capacity, it's big enough to rip plywood sheets in half. Because it's from Skilsaw, it uses their unique dual field motor featuring 2 copper wound coils with 40% greater surface area to dissipate heat. Coupled with smooth start, this saw runs cooler so it lasts longer. Powerful and compact, this portable worm drive table saw gives you what you've wanted for a long time. The worm drive table saw comes with a stay true guarantee. Use it on your job site for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, you'll get your money back. Skilsaw's 10-inch portable worm drive table saw. When the work stacks up, let it rip. Learn more at skilsaw.com.
This is Hitachi's 10-inch job site table saw with fold and roll stand, model number C10RJ. This table saw is an ideal choice for anyone on the job site looking to make crosscuts, rip lumber, and cut dados. It features a powerful direct drive universal 15-amp motor that produces 4,500 RPMs to powerfully and easily rip through tough hardwoods with ease. Additionally, it is equipped with soft start to reduce noise and recoil at startup, and an electric brake to halt the rotation of the blade within seconds. For added job site safety, the zero voltage restart protection prevents restarting if the power is temporarily cut during operation. The working table size measures 28 3/4 by 22 inches, with an outfeed support for additional material support. With its telescoping table extension set up on the right, it can support a max of 35-inch rip capacity, the largest rip capacity in its class to date, or 22 inches when set on the left for maximum flexibility. The 10-inch blade can bevel between 0 to 45 degrees for cuts ranging from 3 1/8 inch at 0 degrees to 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. And it can take an 8-inch dado stack up to 13/16 inch wide. The C10RJ is equipped with a 3/4 inch T-slot miter gauge that features a large scale with adjustable positive stops at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees to the right and left to help guide material accurately for a truer cut. This table saw also includes overload protection with automatic shutoff to prevent damage to the motor if a current overload situation were to occur. The oversized power switch with emergency off safety cover is designed at knee level for immediate shutdown. An installed riving knife ensures no bind or kickback. For convenience, there is built-in storage for the push stick, blade guard, anti-kickback pawls, power cord, and other accessories. A 2.5-inch dust port located at the rear can easily be connected to a shop vac or other dust collection system to keep dust to a minimum. It's never been easier to get a cutting deck this large onto a job site. Equipped with a durable fold and roll stand that incorporates large 8-inch rubber all-terrain treaded wheels, the C10RJ can maneuver easily around a job site and then set up with ease. And you will never have to worry about a wobbly cutting surface. The stand is designed with sturdy legs that fold for easy setup and breakdown. One leg even includes an adjustable foot to aid in leveling the saw on uneven ground, providing even more stability while in use. It comes complete with a 10-inch 40-tooth carbide tip blade, blade guard assembly, anti-kickback pawl assembly, miter gauge assembly, push stick, rip fence assembly, outfeed support assembly, 2 blade wrenches, and 5mm, 4mm, and 2.5mm hex bar wrenches. Weighing just 96 pounds, the C10RJ's solid construction can be relied upon to last. And with Hitachi's professional 2-year warranty, it's the perfect table saw for any job site.
One-handed portability, professional power, and exacting precision. Introducing the newest 10-inch portable job site table saw from Bosch. Ideal for remodelers, installers, and general carpenters, the new GTS 1031 table saw combines unprecedented portability with professional performance and durability to create an easy-to-carry tool that's as easy to move as it is to use. The GTS 1031 is a lightweight, compact alternative to larger, heavier saws, but its machined aluminum tabletop and rugged all-steel base are nearly indestructible, and its powerful 4-horsepower, 5,000 RPM motor delivers professional power to handle nearly any application. Because its ergonomic soft grip handle is perfectly balanced for one-handed portability, the GTS 1031 lets you easily take a capable, durable table saw wherever you need it. And when it's time to work, there's no doubting this saw's heritage. The award-winning self-aligning square lock rip fence assures precise, effortless cuts, while its tabletop expands to a category-leading 18-inch rip capacity for everything from rough framing to fillers, trim, flooring, siding, and smaller dimension sheet goods. Engineered for convenience and productivity, the GTS 1031 features the innovative Bosch SmartGuard modular blade guard system that attaches and detaches in seconds. And each tool attachment, including the guard, rip fence, miter gauge, and wrenches, has its very own storage location under the table to protect it during transport and storage. Ready to get to work? The optional tool-free folding stand sets up in seconds and folds flat in an instant. And the saw's ingenious design lets it stand on either side for compact storage and transport. Cut after cut, job after job, year after year, the Bosch GTS 1031 is the ultimate in portable professional performance in a compact, lightweight design you can carry with one hand. Only from Bosch.
Hi, I'm Gary Striegel with Craftsman Builders. It's still got a great switch that if I need to, I can bump with my leg and shut it off. And they've also increased the capacity out that I can actually, there's a second position on this fence that I can flip it around and I can actually rip out to about 32 inches if I ever need to do that.
My name is Josh Britnall. My family has a small construction company around the job site. It's light, easy to move around, easy to set up. The guard behind the blade, I like this also. It helps when we rip, sometimes when we rip Ipe or rip some 3/4 trim or whatever for the inside, it helps stabilize, especially on a longer rip. This was very sturdy, very well made, and didn't have any problems.
Dave Wonder, JW Contractors Incorporated. I mean, it's almost like a shop saw in the field. That's the way I look at it. You use the saw and you don't think, in your mind doesn't pop up anything wrong with it. You know, most times you turn a saw and you'll pick up right away what's wrong with it. You can actually take this and put it in your garage and use it as a shop saw if you wanted to. You could take it out in the field and use it. A framer could use it, as well as a trim carpenter could use it. I mean, it's a multifunctional table saw. I mean, I think you guys covered all the bases with it.
My name is Dave Kuhn, and I'm a custom remodeler, kitchens and baths, finished carpentry, and high-end remodeling. Well, it's lightweight, it's durable, it can bounce around the truck. I'm not worried about it. The cage, the box around it is nice and strong, so you know I can put it in the back of my truck. I don't have to place it in the back of my truck. One of the greatest features is that I can plug a vacuum into it and virtually be dust-free in interior space of a home.